We've spoken to thousands of EV drivers, and one problem has always been clear. Installing EV charging in your home can be challenging, frustrating, and just more expensive than expected. Many times it requires multi-$1,000 installation costs, panel upgrades, permits, and just isn't convenient. And if you're a home renter, you may not even be able to install EV charging equipment because it's not your home. Enter the Smart Splitter, an intelligent 240-volt splitter that enables you to share an existing 240-volt outlet in your home for simple and cost-effective EV charging installation. Within minutes, you can power your clothes dryer and EV charger, or 2 EVs using a single 240-volt outlet. This allows you to save time and money on installation costs by eliminating rewiring your home or needing an expensive panel upgrade. The Smart Splitter uses intelligent auto switching technology to safely distribute power between 2 supported devices. The device plugged into the primary outlet, the left side, takes priority over your EV plugged into the secondary. When the primary side pulls power, any active session on your secondary side will automatically pause until the primary is finished. To prevent the total power drawn from exceeding what your outlet can handle, a built-in safety system will cut power to your devices immediately if needed. You can buy with confidence knowing that your Smart Splitter is UL listed, covered by a 2-year warranty with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Our team believes it's important for all EV drivers to have an awesome home EV charging experience, and we're here to help make that happen. Thank you for being part of the NeoCharge movement. Charge on.